June 15th, 5:41 p.m. and it is time. It is time to get started with these tubes, okay? I am so excited to release these next week. I'm gonna release these on Monday. Why Monday? Because it is my anniversary, the 21st. I'm really excited. So yeah, we're about to do some filling. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this because I know I have to get content for Instagram. I've been doing really good. I've been posting every day. Sometimes I post twice. So yeah, I've been doing really good and it's paying off. My orders have been coming in, and y'all know that I actually applied for Sezzle and I got approved for that. So I've been using Sezzle as well as a payment option on my website, and I've been getting orders with people using Sezzle. So definitely, like I said in the last video, definitely make sure that you guys have different payment options, whether it's Sezzle, Afterpay, or whatever the other ones are called. Make sure you guys at least have one on your website. I do have 2 orders. I got an order yesterday for lip scrubs. It's a returning customer. And then I got a new customer today. She ordered squeeze tube wholesale. And guess what, y'all? She actually didn't order nudes. So y'all know I'm excited, okay? I love my new glosses, but I love my other glosses too. She ordered glitter glosses and my clear gloss. So I'm excited to fulfill that. Definitely gotta get some content for that. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. the lineup. Glitter glosses, nudes, clears. So pretty. Alright, so now I'm about to work on the squeeze tube order. And then I have a regular order to fulfill. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get these shipped off so I can have the rest of the week to focus on getting my new glosses ready for their release date. I gotta get my email together, I gotta take some pictures. I tried to take some pictures after I filled the tubes, but I did not like how they came out. So I think I'm gonna go outside. Well, I am gonna go outside and go to this spot and see if I can get some good pictures out there in the sunlight. I haven't took product pictures outside in forever because I've been loving how they look with my ring light, but I did not like how these came out. So I'm gonna see if I can get some good ones outside. And if I can't, then we're just gonna try in the house again. Because I gotta get some pictures for the website. But yeah, I'm really excited. I hope that people shop. Like, I really hope that people shop. So it is probably the next week. Y'all have not been vlogging at all. I don't know. I just haven't been feeling very motivated with my YouTube. I'm honestly ready for some new content, but I'm trying to until I move to do that. I have lots of content planned out other than business content because I love doing this content, but I am getting tired of it being the only thing that I can post. So hopefully I'll be able to move soon. Hopefully we hear back from this apartment and some good news. But anyways, I just received my tube. So this time I actually ordered 600. And y'all, I literally have the best vendor ever. I'm so glad I chose her. So this is probably my 5th or 6th time ordering from her. I ordered my custom tubes from her, and then I ordered these ones and also my black top wand tubes. So this time she decided to send me a bunch of samples because she appreciates my support. She sent a lot of samples actually. So I'm actually about to go through them with y'all. But yeah, usually I would just order 500, but this time I decided to do 600 because these do sell pretty fast. Like, this is my most popular tube out of all of my tubes. So I decided to get more of these. So these are the samples. You already know how my white top wand tubes look. If you don't, then this is how they look. And today is actually my 3-year anniversary. So yeah, I don't even know how to open it. Oh. So this is a lipstick tube. And I actually do want to offer lipsticks in the future. This is cute. We got this one. We have another lipstick tube. And the wand tube. This is very different. I don't think I've ever seen anyone with these before. It's very different. I've seen this one. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really a fan of the square tubes because they're like really hard to fill. So then got the lollipop tube. How do you open this? I don't want to break it. Yeah, okay. I might actually offer these one day. Maybe. I might bring these to the site. This is cute. And I think that is it. Yeah. So I'm about to count these and make sure I have 600, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my email together.